Today is Earth Day. It's a Sunday, and Seven and I have been here at Keysville SMRA since Tuesday, I think it was. We had a neighbor just one night, 7 guys. They left this morning, so they were here just a little over 24 hours. The spot where they were was nice and clean when they got here, and I'm going to show you a picture of what it looks like now before I clean it up. So this is what's left over from 7 guys, just over 24 hours. They seem to have even left a piece of their car. And to contrast that giant pile of garbage, at least it's in garbage bags, right? Well, mostly. I had to, what I just did was picked up a whole bunch of the stray garbage and put it in the bags, but they did leave bags at least. To contrast that big pile of garbage with how it can be, so I said I've been here since Tuesday. I took garbage up, I think, on Wednesday. Today's now Sunday. And so I'm going to show you my garbage can. So you can see my garbage can is a little over half full. It's one of the small bathroom waste baskets. Camping doesn't have to require a ton of disposable stuff. It really doesn't. It's not that hard to wash dishes. It doesn't take that much water. You just need a dish per person, maybe a plate and a bowl per person, fork, a spoon, and a knife. And you do not need to produce, I think there's 5 bags and 3 boxes of garbage that these guys left. 7 guys, so basically an entire waste receptacle for each one of them for just over 24 hours of camping. That's my rant for Earth Day. I hope that if you're out there enjoying the wild areas of our country, that you are respectful of the space, that you leave it the way you would want to find it. Hopefully you would want to find it clean, right? And pack out what you bring in. Just practice the leave no trace principles. Then these wild areas will stay wild for all of us. Seven and I walked over to a large group of campers over by the restrooms and asked them, since they have a bunch of pickup trucks, asked them if they wouldn't mind coming and picking it up and driving it up to the dumpsters. The dumpsters are right at the end of the road, right where you come in, so it's not hard. So they came over with their pickup truck. They're now driving over to take the garbage out, and so I'll give you an after shot of the camp area. There's still a little bit of broken glass. The guys really did trash it. I know that people think that it's a lot easier to use disposables while they're camping, and I get that, but I want to challenge you. If you're one of those people who thinks that it's easier to use disposables while you're camping, think about the amount of space that you need to use to carry, you know, a whole package of plates and a whole package of all of the disposable things versus carrying just 5 gallons of water to wash up a bowl and a plate per person. Try it sometime. It's actually fun to wash dishes outside. The last house I lived in didn't have a dishwasher, and I was thinking, oh, I have to wash these dishes. And I had just thrown something in the microwave, not something I do a lot, but I threw something in the microwave for 2 minutes. And I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna start the dishes while this is cooking. And wouldn't you know it, by the time the microwave went off, the dishes were almost done, so I just finished them up. So it doesn't take that much time, it doesn't take that much effort. And so this Earth Day, with this giant rant of a video, I'm going to challenge you to take a look at the disposables that you're using in your life and see if you can replace those with things that are more durable that you just have to wash. Happy Earth Day, everybody. This is Joni with TheGalavan. Enjoy your journey.